Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my vertical happy planner. This is the classic size. I use this for personal journaling, like health, mostly health stuff. And this week on Thursday is my anniversary. So we are going to be using some Valentine stickers that recently released in my shop. These are called Love and Bloom. And I chose two different washies that I think will coordinate well with this spread. So I apologize. I don't know if you'll be able to hear my husband hacking and coughing in the background, but we're both sick again. So fun times. I did mention in my dashboard layout, I love how that spread turned out. It's gorgeous. But I am working on some new headers and icons for my shop, and I'm hoping to get these released for my sticker day sale. So January 13th, which is, I'm a little late filming today, or for this week, but it is a week from today. So January 13th is going to be a super sale on all stickers in my shop. And because it's going to be the best sale of the year, it's only going to be for 24 hours. So mark your planners, set your alarms. If you want to get some stickers from my shop, make sure that you are here on the 13th for that sale. Like I said, 24 hours only. So I have these day of the week headers. Super cute. I mentioned also in my last video that the change in font, I think, just makes the spread look really fun and cute. So let's see. I think we're going to start with my usual. I don't know that I'm going to use that large sheet. I think I kind of want to use a small sheet. And we're just going to do some florals in the corners. I don't know. Maybe I should use the large sheet. Yeah, let's use this one. So all of my releases for January have matching decor and matching florals along with the matching boxes. Just something I'm trying out. I'm also, a little sneaky peek, working on some new kits for my shop. So excited about that. See if we can use this down the side here. So cute. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing on this bottom, and I think I'm going to use a floral that might actually be the same. Might be the same. If not, it's very similar to the one that I just used. Down here. And then we're just going to randomly place some boxes and decorate around the boxes like I normally do. And then we will add a quote or two and some washi tape. So put this down here. And then this one, oops, put right down here. Love it. It's adorable. I want a little something to go over here. So we're going to use the same sticker, only smaller. And we're going to take it and place it right there. And then cut off this excess. Okay, and we'll save this for another area somewhere. I really need, okay, that's fine. I'm getting a little bit too picky here. All right, let's lay down some boxes. So I think we will go here. Maybe like here. No, let's go the opposite way. Let's go this direction. Because I want to go this way with this one. Now these boxes will fit, which I'm changing my kits now, so I guess it doesn't matter. But if you have these boxes, they will fit vertically inside of the box on this spread. Okay. We're going to do the same thing over here, except we're going to start at the bottom and work our way up. So we're doing the opposite. So we have this brown color here. We're going to go with the brown color at the bottom. I don't want them side by side on the spread. And then I think we will go here with this green one. And then the burgundy will go here. And then we will decorate around the boxes. And if I remember, I will go off camera and fill in with some lines with my stencil. So I don't think I'm going to use this large sheet here. Let's put in some of this adorable decor. And we're going to start with the XO because why not? It is so cute. I think we're going to go here. Yes, I love it. And then we're going to put this other one on top of the same green box, only on the other side. Oops. Okay. All right, definitely want to use the bows. I think we're going to use the bows with the little cherries. Actually, let's keep going with some more decor. And I didn't get to use the balloons on the last spread, so let's use the balloons on this one. And I think we're going to let these balloons lay over top of that box because why not? And then we'll take these balloons. If I can find the edge. And put them right here the same way. Okay, that's adorable. And then maybe we'll take this camera. Actually, let's move to the mini sheet. I feel like these are too big. Actually, let's remove the XOs and try to use the mini sheets. I'm ripping my page. I really don't want to use the undo. I ripped it. That was difficult. And I didn't even smooth it down. It had just been there too long, I guess. It was super sticky. Oh, ripping the whole page here. I'm just going to rip the sticker. Dang it. Sometimes my stickers peel so easy and sometimes not. Oh well. I ripped my box there. It's going to be okay. All right, so there. That looks better to me. And then I might use, let's just keep going with the small. I want this camera because it's cute. And then how about this little locket right here? So cute. And let's take this little letter and put it right there. And what else? I really want some bows. So we're going to do, let's do this bow here with the camera. That's cute. And then I think we'll take this box of letters and place right here. And what can we do right here? Let's put the kissy lips. Because why not? It is a love spread. Okay, and then I would like some more cherries with the bow. We'll put that there. And then I have these two bows that I am going to use because I can. Oops. Maybe this will cover up that little blender. Yep. And then let's take this one and put with the XO like I did on the other side. All right, look how cute that is, y'all. I feel like I need, maybe we'll fill in with some florals. Let's get the mini floral sheets. And actually, yeah, we're going to use the mini floral sheet because I don't want a ton of florals. And we're going to cut this down the center. And we're just going to go on top of this box because I feel like this top area is a little bit naked. Look how cute. And then maybe we'll do a little bit underneath. I need my tweezers. Yes, I love it. And then I think I'll do the same here and here. No, I'm not going to do that because that'll be the same. Maybe we'll do some down here. Let's take, we'll cut this one. And we'll cut it right here. Whoops, I ripped that sticker. Didn't even realize it. Not much though. There. And then maybe we'll put this little bit down here. Can't really tell that I ripped it, but there is just a little tiny piece left over here that kind of finishes it off. So why don't we just try to lay that down? Oops. Crooked. Okay. There we go. That makes me feel a little better. All right, look how cute that is. And I still have plenty of room to write, to journal. I don't journal a whole lot. More like how I felt that day. Maybe what I got done, if I slept decent, if I didn't sleep decent, that kind of stuff. So, all right, we're going to take some of this and we're going to rip it. We're going to attempt to rip it. Actually, I think I'm going to cut it with my trusty paper cutter. And I need to try to lay it, to center it, kind of so that I get an even amount on either side so that it doesn't look too wonky. We'll see how I did. I just really prefer thin washi over the thick washi. Even though it's not like super thick, I still just prefer it to be thinner. So let's take, put some of this here. Look how cute this is going to be, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then maybe some up top. I really need to level out my desk. I don't think that I want to go all the way across. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. All right, so I think we'll go here and here with it on this side. So we'll go here. I'm going to have to cut a little bit of this off to make a straight line. Okay, I love that. And then I want to go here. Even though it's going to cover up a little bit of this floral, I'm okay with that. This is so cute. I love it. And then I think maybe we will incorporate some of this washi, maybe, possibly. Maybe a little, I don't know. Do we want to do this? I don't think we want to do that. I think we're going to leave well enough alone. Yep, I think that's what we're going to do. I also didn't do lines, but I will do those off camera. So what I normally do if you're new here is I just go in like every other box and just use my little happy planner, line it up stencil, and put some lines in so that whenever I'm writing, it can be sort of kind of straight. So anyways, if you're new here and you have not subscribed to my channel, or even if you've been watching a while and you haven't subscribed, will you please hit that subscribe button? I would love to, in 2026, to get to 10,000 subscribers. Don't forget, like I said, Tuesday the 13th, 24 hours only, huge, massive sticker sale in my shop for Sticker Day. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
I will love